Come test drive the 2008 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, cruise control, multifunctional information center, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.